Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Back up to Google or Samsung Cloud and confirm the backup finished. Once done, make sure the Z Fold 5 has over 50% charge, remove any SD card, and unpair Bluetooth devices. You should also sign out of Samsung and Google accounts to avoid factory reset protection blocking setup later. Now power the phone off. Press and hold volume up plus the side key until the recovery menu appears. This begins the factory reset flow. You'll now navigate the recovery menu. Use the volume buttons to move and the side key to confirm. Select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and read the prompts before confirming because this permanently erases internal storage. Once confirmed, the phone runs the wipe and may show progress for several minutes. This can include decrypting or clearing cached partitions. Be patient and avoid interrupting power. When the wipe completes, you'll see confirmation text, "Do not shut the device off. Proceed to reboot immediately." After the wipe, choose Reboot System now and let the Fold 5 complete its first boot. This can take several minutes. You'll reach the Android Setup Wizard. Sign in with your Samsung or Google account to restore your backup and settings. Make sure you connect to Wi-Fi to speed restores and app downloads. If the phone fails to boot or gets stuck in a loop, try Smart Switch Recovery on a PC, re-attempt the recovery wipe, or visit a service center. Importantly, keep your account credentials available to bypass FRP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.